there! Today, I'll be producing the English sounds. There are 6 English sounds: the plosive, nasal, trill, fricatives, approximants, and lateral approximant. For the first English sound, we have plosive sound. These are consonant sounds characterized by the momentary blocking of some of the part of the oral cavity. There are 2 types of plosives, the voiceless and the voiced. For the voiceless, we won't be using our vocal cords. Example of this is p, t, k, such as pin, tin, kin. And for the voiced, b, d, g, such as bin, dim, gin. You can see that we used our vocal cords in voiced plosive sounds. For the next sound, we have sonorant consonants. These are nasals and approximants. Sonorant consonants are sounds produced without any disturbance of the airflow. Now, for the nasal sound, these are n, as in mouth, nose, and sing. For approximants, these sounds are produced by bringing 2 parts of the mouth. For example, the tongue and the roof of the mouth close to each other. However, it is not close enough to cause the air to be blocked. For example, w, y, l, or even vowels as in w, wet, y, yes, right, l, like. Lateral approximant is a type of consonant sound which is produced by allowing the air to escape around the sides of the tongue rather than over the middle of the tongue. For example, lady, fly, will, political, general, small, national, example, school, little, and council. Moving on with the trill sound, it is produced by vibrations. It is made by the articulator being held in place and the airstream causing it to vibrate. Let's give an example. Perro, bird, frog, grasshopper. Lastly, for the fricative sound, F and V, and F is produced by bringing the mouth into position to block the passage of the airstream. For example, creating a noisy sound. Now for the examples of the fricative sound, specifically these: fan, phone, for, cycle, sight, zebra, zip, zoom, think, this, method, north, van, vast, vice, ship, machine, hot, high, behave. Good job! And now we're done! Well, I hope you learned a lot from this video, and I hope you're doing well in the midst of this pandemic. Keep safe, everyone!